Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing K-1 fiancé visas. For those who are unaware, it is possible for the fiancé of an American citizen to obtain a visa for the specific purpose of traveling to the United States in order to marry their American fiancé. Question then becomes, what happens after arriving in the United States? Well, after arrival in the United States, the foreign fiancé has 90 days of lawful status in which to get married and then file for adjustment of status to green card status. Now, the question posed by this video is, how long does it take once you file for adjustment to actually get the green card issued? Unfortunately, and I hate to say this, in the past it took like 4 to 6 weeks. I remember sending people back to the United States with their adjustment packet. They'd mail it in after they got married, and like a month later they get their green card in the mail. Now it takes months. I don't know why. They've added all sorts of extra requests for evidence that I've never seen in the past, them needing, and now out of nowhere they want all this documentation. I personally think they're intentionally trying to be obtuse. I think a lot of the policies, if you will, that got put into the system during the Trump administration, especially during the latter half, have really not been repealed in any effective manner during this present administration. If anything, I think the immigration system has gotten worse as time has gone on through this past 4 years. That said, do I think it's going to get all that much better anytime soon? Likely not. And if we see a Trump presidency, I could also see a situation where immigration becomes increasingly difficult moving out past that point. That said, as far as timelines, presume you're going to spend multiple months in the United States waiting for the green card to be issued. So again, depending on your circumstances, the K-1 visa may not be the most optimal travel document. That said, if you just want to bring your fiance back to the USA and just hunker down and wait out the process, a lot of folks opt to do that because they have a life they have to lead, they have a job and things back in the US. Again, it may be optimal. As I've said in many other videos, the specific facts of your underlying case will dictate what will be the most optimal option with regard to immigration status.